Today we're going outside the Kusina, but not that far. We're just going to check how much snow we got this big snowstorm in Toronto.
Hello, it's Mama Mo here, and we are in the first big snowstorm of 2022. So we're going to shovel the snow. For those who haven't experienced this, here's a first-hand look.
This tall snowbank is the accumulated snow from our driveways and walkways. Luckily, this is powder snow and easy and light to shovel. I'm standing in about 9 inches of snow. Backtrack to this morning. This was the sight that met my eyes when I looked out the window. It started to snow Sunday evening, and this is a view of our backyard at about 7:30 in the morning of Monday. This is approximately 15 inches of snow. We are so lucky we don't have to commute to work today. We just work from home, although one of my daughters had to walk to work. Today was a snow day, and if you watch to the end, I'll show you someone who enjoyed the snow. We had to dig the car out of the snow, but it was a good day to stay away from the highways anyway. Here comes the snowplow to clear our streets. And now, here's someone who seemed to enjoy the snow the most. Mako is swimming in the snow. It just goes to show that you can still enjoy a snowstorm. I hope that everyone who experienced the snowstorm is safe and warm in their homes. It is still a beautiful day and a beautiful world.